The processes in manufacturing and service businesses are shaped by the nature of their outputs, the degree of customer involvement, and various operational factors. Manufacturing focuses on producing tangible goods through standardized, often automated steps, while service businesses deliver intangible outcomes, frequently requiring real-time interaction with customers. These fundamental differences influence how each sector operates, from production timelines to customization and quality control, and real-world examples offer deeper insights into these variations. One key difference is the nature of the output. Manufacturing businesses produce tangible goods that can be stored, transported, and used over time, while service businesses deliver intangible services that cannot be stored or owned. For instance, Ford's manufacturing process involves sourcing raw materials, assembling parts, and producing a physical car that can be stored and sold later. In contrast, Uber's service process connects drivers and riders in real time through an app, providing transportation that is consumed as it is delivered. Another distinction is standardization versus customization. Manufacturing businesses focus on standardized processes and automation to achieve mass production and uniformity. For example, Coca-Cola's production process ensures millions of identical bottles of soft drinks with consistent quality. On the other hand, service businesses such as Deloitte customize their processes to meet individual client needs, providing personalized consulting services tailored to each client's unique challenges. Customer involvement also differs significantly. Manufacturing processes typically occur without direct customer input, and the customer only purchases the finished product. For example, Boeing designs and manufactures aircraft without customer involvement. In contrast, service businesses often engage customers in the process, as seen at Starbucks, where customers specify their drink preferences, interact with baristas, and receive personalized coffee. Production versus delivery time is another area of contrast. In manufacturing, production usually occurs before the customer receives the product, often with a time lag between production and consumption. Samsung, for example, produces smartphones in factories long before customers buy them. Conversely, in service businesses, production and delivery occur simultaneously, such as with AWS cloud computing services, which are provided in real time upon customer request. Inventory management also differentiates the two sectors. Manufacturing businesses can store their output as inventory, allowing flexibility in managing supply and demand. For example, Nike stores its shoes and apparel in warehouses until sold. Service businesses like Netflix cannot store services as inventory. Streaming content is provided instantly when requested by users. Automation plays a crucial role in manufacturing, where processes are often highly automated to boost efficiency, consistency, and cost-effectiveness. Toyota's use of robotics and automated assembly lines to produce vehicles is a prime example. In contrast, service businesses like Mayo Clinic rely on human interaction, with automation playing a limited role due to the need for personal expertise and communication in healthcare services. The physical versus human-centric nature of processes is another distinction. Manufacturing focuses on physical tasks involving machinery, assembly lines, and material handling, such as Intel's chip production. Service businesses like Accenture focus more on human-centric processes, where consultants interact with clients to provide tailored solutions to business challenges. Quality control in manufacturing is based on measurable standards, with inspections and testing ensuring product quality. Tesla, for instance, rigorously tests its cars for safety and performance. In service businesses like Ritz Carlton, quality control is more subjective, depending on customer satisfaction and the quality of service interactions. Capacity utilization in manufacturing aims to maximize production efficiency, with capacity adjustments made over time to meet demand. PepsiCo's production plants, for example, can store beverages until sold. In service industries, capacity is limited by time and human resources, as seen in the airline industry, where unsold seats represent lost revenue. Customization is typically limited in manufacturing, where mass production is the primary focus. Dell, for instance, offers limited customization, allowing customers to choose specific components for their computers. However, service businesses like legal services offer high levels of customization, tailoring their services to each client's unique needs. Efficiency metrics also differ between the two sectors. Manufacturing businesses measure efficiency by output per unit of input, production speed, and defect rates. Honda, for example, tracks the number of cars produced per hour. Service businesses like McKinsey and Company measure efficiency by customer satisfaction, time spent per client, and resource utilization. In conclusion, the processes of manufacturing and service businesses differ significantly, requiring unique operational approaches for each. Manufacturing relies on automation, standardized procedures, and physical outputs, while service businesses focus on real-time delivery, human interaction, and customized customer experiences. Understanding these distinctions is essential for optimizing operations and ensuring that business practices align with the specific demands of manufacturing or service sectors.